guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with a wig unboxing and install of this 18-inch 250% density glueless wig from Wiggins Hair. And yes, she is 100% glueless. And this is also their curly texture, and like guys, she's looking so cutesy. And it is super full, so I am absolutely obsessed. Wiggins actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, so we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Wiggins Hair, and we are going to actually experience this wig together and see what she's looking like. Like, you know, this is a little different for me, but we'll see what it gives. I feel like it's gonna give like a very natural look. It's gonna give real. Hopefully I can fool some people that it's my real hair. But let's see. Here is the box. Y'all know I love my orange. You see the rug. Orange is my favorite color, so that's already a plus, you guys. An orange box, a nice orange box at that. But let's go ahead and open this wig and see what she's looking like. So, ooh, okay. You can already see that it's already parted and stuff, but we're gonna put the wig to the side and see what kind of extra little goodies we have in the box. A beautiful scrunchie, cutesy. You get an edge brush, a wig cap, lashes. You know, these are actually pretty good. Sometimes the lashes you get might be a little, these are actually pretty nice. I might actually wear those. And an orange headband, and also this little sack, an orange one at that, with the Wiggins Hair logo on it. So let's actually look at this wig and see what she's looking like. So this is their 250% density wig. So this is a thick wig. So a density of a wig is the thickness. So sometimes you'll see 100% density, 150, 250%. That's one of the best you can get. Like I might have seen a little, maybe a 300, but 250, she's gonna be super thick, super pretty. And this is an 18-inch wig. So because it is like a tighter curl texture, it is gonna look a little shorter. I'm thinking it's gonna fall somewhere right here to where it looks like it's pretty much my real hair. So let's see what she's looking like, what the curl pattern is giving. Let me take off this netting. So a glueless wig, look at that. Like tell me that does not look like that could be my real hair already. Look at these curls. This looks like a nice little Jerry curl. Like this is my real hair. Already I can tell, like look at that. Look at that curl pattern. This hair is really thick. Even from the side you can see it's thick. Let me really show you all this curl pattern. So if you are looking for a beginner wig, if you are new to wigs, this might be the girly for you. So I'm just gonna explain it because I feel like with glueless wigs, these are the wigs that don't need glue, don't need any kind of lace tape or any kind of lace spray. These are really great for a beginner, so I want to make sure I explain anything you might want to know about this wig if you are a beginner. As you can see, the knots are already bleached. In most wigs, there are like little dots inside of the wig to where they tie the hair strand around the neck, and sometimes you have to bleach those with like actual hair bleach. So as you can see, this is just looks like straight scalp here. It's all scalp here. So you don't have to do anything as far as customization to this wig. I should be able to take this wig and immediately put it on and it looks good. That's what I should be able to do. So a lot of times you also have to pluck the hairline of a wig. Look at this hairline. This is already looking very natural to where you really should not have to pluck a wig. So plucking a wig is pulling like little strands out of the hair to thin the hairline to where it looks more realistic. I will show y'all my hairline. Okay, yeah. So you see, like my hairline isn't just thick, right? So a natural hairline is a little thinner, so that's why people pluck the hairline to make the wig look a little thinner. But as you can see, it's already thinned out some right there. So let's look at this. So this is a 7x5 lace closure wig. The 7, the first number, is the length from here to here, like temple to temple. The 5 indicates the amount of lace going backwards. So how long your part will be. So look at this on the inside. So you see you have a nice long amount of space here up front, and then down here, bam, 5. Also, there is this elastic band in the back. So you can tighten this if you have a smaller head. I actually have the medium cap size, so we are going to see what it's giving. But if you have a smaller head and you're worried about, oh my goodness, is this wig gonna be too big for me, you can tighten it. You can always tighten it using that elastic band back there. Okay, you guys, so normally I would put some kind of lace tint on this wig, but I really want this video to be very beginner friendly and just things like a regular person would have at their home already if you just want to try out a glueless wig for some reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on this wig. Like, look at her. She's so thick, so pretty, and see what she's giving right out the gate. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, right out the gate, this is how she's looking. As you can see, like, it's a little lighter up here. Let me pull it back because I do like to make my forehead a little smaller. I have a habit of making my forehead a little smaller than it actually is because I do have a really big forehead. But let's put it like right here. And then just to make like this part a little like more seamless, I'm going to add some makeup to the lace. But as you can see, it's completely glueless and she looks good. But this is just to blend it in with my makeup. I'm going in with this contour color. This is actually like a little darker than my like skin tone. It's actually a lot darker than my skin tone, but this is the color I use on my forehead. So that's why I'm like, let me add this to this lace part so it kind of blends in with my makeup and does like a cool transition. Play with it a little bit, play with her. Like, she's really, really thick and pretty. Look at that. That does look like my real hair. So I'm going to also go in with a little makeup in the part just to make the part pop a little more. So this is just a regular concealer. It's a little lighter than my actual skin tone, but we're just gonna go in the part and add some makeup. This is also, it's not necessary of course, but you know, if you really wanna slay a glueless wig, this is what you gotta do. But yes, just like that, she looks really, really cute. Like, let me kind of play with this because I want the front to be like a little messy. Honestly, not in this video. I would even cut like a little like curtain bang type of look up in the front to where it looks like, okay, like you got some shorter little pieces here. Let's bring these over to the front of my face a little bit. Look at that. This is actually really adorable. This is not something I would get. Like, as you all know, I'm a bust down baddie. Like, I like my hair super long, but this looks so adorable on me. Like, I like this, you know, I look chic. This looks so fabulous, actually. This looks really fabulous. I want to like puff this part out a little bit because, you know, when you actually have your hair a little curly, it's not always that perfect at the part. So I'm just gonna kind of play with the front part a little bit to make it like a little more messy. So this is 18 inches. I'm 5'7". Let me kind of pull this down. So this is almost like a nice little curly bob almost. This is so cute. And of course you could add baby hair, but you don't really need it. You can just bring some pieces out front. And as you can see, the wig is still completely glueless, you guys. No cut scene where I glued things, like it's still glueless. And she's pretty firm on here. She's pretty firm on here. Like, I like this. This is fun, huh? I really like this style on me. 18 inches, this is something new. You could even take a curling iron and curl these pieces a little bit if you wanted to. Let me bring these up front a little more. And yeah, you guys, that is honestly it. This is cute. I look like I have a nice little afro. And the curl pattern, this curl pattern is so cool. I like this. This is so different. Okay, Wiggins. This is a nice wig to have in your collection. Okay, Wiggins. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.